Welcome, Savvy Warriors. Get ready to unlock the secrets of a supercharged emergency fund. From budget ninja skills to automated magic, we've got 10 tips to make your financial fortress shine. Let's conquer your financial goals and build that money superhero status. You got it. Let's break down each tip and dive deep into the details to supercharge your emergency fund strategy. Tip 1. Money Checkup Stat. Take a thorough look at your finances. Track your income, expenses, and debts using budgeting tools or apps to get a clear picture of your financial health. Analyze your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back to boost your savings for the emergency fund. Tip 2. Emergency Fund Goals. Determine your emergency fund goal. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to provide a safety net in case of unexpected events. Write down your goals and set a timeline to achieve them. Visualize the financial security you'll gain once you reach your target. Tip 3. Budget Ninja Skills. Embrace your inner budget ninja. Closely examine your monthly expenses and find creative ways to cut costs. Look for subscription services you don't use or need, cook at home instead of eating out, and try shopping for deals and discounts. Tip 4. Baby Steps, Big Wins. Start your savings journey with small but consistent contributions to your emergency fund. Even saving a few dollars a week can add up over time. Celebrate each milestone reached, like hitting the first $500 or reaching 1 month's worth of expenses saved. Small victories build momentum. Tip 5. Auto-Save Magic. Automate your savings to make it effortless. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your emergency fund on each payday. Choose a specific amount or percentage of your income to be automatically saved, ensuring consistent progress without even thinking about it. Tip 6. Bye-bye Impulse. Spending. Combat impulse. Spending by setting financial priorities. Before making a non-essential purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your financial goals. Implement the 24-hour rule. Wait 24 hours before buying something non-essential to avoid impulsive purchases. Tip 7. Lock it down. Open a separate savings account exclusively for your emergency fund. This dedicated account will prevent you from accidentally spending the money on non-emergencies. Choose an account with no fees and easy access, such as an online high-yield savings rate.
Tip 9. Bonus =sign boost. When you receive unexpected windfalls like bonuses, tax refunds, or monetary gifts, allocate a portion of the extra funds to your emergency fund. Use these opportunities to accelerate your savings and get closer to your goal faster. Tip 10. Check in and level up. Regularly review your emergency fund progress. Celebrate each milestone and reward yourself for staying on track. If your financial situation improves, for example, you receive a raise or a promotion, consider increasing your savings rate to level up your emergency fund game. By following these detailed tips, you'll be well on your way to building a rock-solid emergency fund and achieving financial peace of mind. Keep hustling, stay focused, and watch your savings soar to new heights.